This is what I'm going to recreate for you today. It's just a really soft, warm toned smoky eye. And I've added a little bit more shimmer on the cheek, not too much. I feel like we kind of overdo highlighter, so I wanted to steer away from that a little bit today. I have already moisturized and prepped my face, so I'm going to go in and use my Kevyn Aucoin. This one is the Sensual Skin Enhancer. They're little pots, they're very, very pigmented, so you only need a tiny bit and it covers everything. I'm going to put it on with a beauty blender, and I have number 10 and 11, which I'm going to mix. So this one's 11 and that is 10. 11's more yellow and 10 is less yellow. I just feel it's a bit more neutral, so I like to mix the two. So if you can see, I've just got a little bit on there, probably too much to be honest, but just with my beauty blender, I'm just going to mix that together and start just pressing it on. So I'm just taking the leftovers and just using it as a concealer. I have a Silica powder. This one's from Makeup and Glow, and I'm just going to set under my eyes with it. For eyebrows, I'm going to use, this is the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. Really love it, number 4. It lasts all day and it's so fine that you can draw little hair, so it looks quite natural. Now for the eyeshadow, I'm going to use the Urban Decay Naked Heat palette. I bought this a while ago and to be honest, I didn't like it for a while. I wasn't enjoying it, but I've been using it quite a lot lately and I've grown to love it. So these are the colours and I'm going to stick to more of the matte today. The first one I'm going to use is called Source. It's a very, very natural colour, so just that one there. And that I'm going to pop along my lid and just blend it up. As you can see, it's very, very natural, but it's a great base colour. I'm going to use the same colour under my eyes. The next colour I'm going to use is Kevyn. It is a darker, more burnt orange, which is great for the socket. And that same darker colour I'm going to take under the eyes. Now for my eyeliner, I'm actually going to use a bronze pencil. I tend to steer away from the very dark gel liners. I do use them, but I think for this kind of smoky look, I don't want to do that. So I'm going to use the Stila Lionfish. Love this one, it lasts and it's great to smudge. So I'm going to do it inside my waterline first. The top of the waterline, which always looks really painful and uncomfortable, but it's not, it kind of tickles. It's just a bit awkward. Now the top of my lash line, so as close to the lash line as possible. It doesn't have to be neat because you are going to blend it out, so don't be too worried about that. With the same brush that I did under the eye, I'm going to get it again and just blend that liner in. For mascara, I'm going to use Bad Gal Bang. I've only just discovered this and I am super thrilled. Just wait till you see this. Really thin brush, which I love. Reminds you of Kevyn Aucoin because you can get right in there. But this just makes your lashes massive. massive and super black. The only problem is I am the worst at putting mascara on myself. On my cheeks, I'm going to use ByTerry. It's their new compact expert dual powder, number 8 Mocha Fizz, my absolute fave. Like that. It gives you, it's got like a shimmer and a matte in it. That's why it's dual. But the colour of this is beautiful. As I said, number 8 Mocha Fizz. I'm going to take the Center colour, which is a little bit peachy browny and has a soft shimmer to it, and just take along there, just along the cheekbone. On my lips, I'm going to line it with Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat Pillow Talk. I'm going to use MAC Nicki's Nude on my lips. Beautiful peachy nudie colour. It's one of those, it's from the Nicki Minaj range. So that is it. I hope you enjoyed it. Just a lovely, soft, warm, matte look. Enjoy your day. I'll see you soon. Bye.